Well, hello, land mammals.
We're just here to ask you some questions about your friend Nadia.
I'm on the clock. You want to chat? You have to buy me a private dance in the blowhole room.
Oh, please.
Oh, gross. Private dance. Oh, but if that's the only way she'll talk, then it was fine. Fine, I'm offended. Yuck. But really, guys, gross. Start it now. But gross.
Yeah. You can dance however you want. Don't do this for my benefit. Tango, waltz, salsa, the same, but you pretend I'm not here. How would you dance then?
Like a stripper, probably.
Listen, we have some bad news. Your friend Nadia is dead.
Not surprised.
You're not?
A lot of girls like her come through here. Sweet, vulnerable. This place takes them and makes them a lot of promises. They say they're going to take care of you, make you big.
Years, my fame, your obscurity, you made me the face of this trust because to you, my face is a symbol for the ultimate of show business.
No, man, you played the horse.
Huh?
Horse is a nickname for heroin.
What?
Bojack. Horse. Heroin.
Oh, okay, yeah, right.
Police. Oh, God,
Gotcha. Richie Osborne, you are under arrest.
Oh, right, Reggie.
Richie.
That's what I said. I said Ricky.
Thank God. How did you find us?
Your Twitter account is hooked up to your phone's location services. We've been tracking you through your tweets all night.
Actually, I've been talking to you all night.
Lindsay, I said we. Do you need credit for everything?
I would like credit for something.
Okay, what do we know?
Nadia.
Flock. The air crackles with possibilities.
Oh, good lord.
Uh-oh.
It's all over. My career is gone.
I'm sure it's going to be fine. Wasn't Secretary the big hit at the Pacific Ocean Film Festival? Critics called it gurgle glub 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 glub.
Festivals don't matter, Todd. It's just so you can get some leaves on your poster. But this is the real world now. If this doesn't hit big this weekend, it's oh god.
Oh no! Bojack! It's gonna be okay!
Oh. Yeah.
Bojack, the East Coast box office is in.
Secretariat is, wait for it,
A huge success!
Why would you make me wait for it? That was a terrible time for a wait for it.
Do you know what this means? You're no longer just some TV actor they threw into a movie.
a bona fide movie, wait for it, star!
Bojack, how do you feel?
Awesome.
Cool, I'm just gonna get one or two more drinks and then we'll go check out that bed.
Okay. Hello everybody. I was thinking about